What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to give a brief look over what string concatenation is in Java and how you can perform it in two different ways. So I've created a string concatenation class here, so let's fill it out. So public class string concatenation, curly braces, and let's do the constructor. Okay, we don't want any arguments in our constructor. So let's do a field. But guess what? It will be a string. String text. Okay, so let's set text equal to something. Let's say text equals Bobby. There we go. And let's make another text field. Call it text2. And now I have a wild imagination. And text3. Okay, there we go. Text2 equals Helen. Text3 equals Tracy. There we go. Let's do the speech marks. Okay, so we've got those three strings, so how can we join them together? So let's call this the new variable that we're going to use, master text, kind of like mastertron. Is that a transformer? Kind of sounds like a transformer. Or am I thinking of Megatron? Anyway, master text. So let's try joining these together in the most popular way. So text plus text2, and let's print out the results down here. System.out.println, print line. Let's call it master text. Okay, and let's print that out. Let's see what is happening with our concatenation. So Bobby is being concatenated to Helen here. So what else can we do with this plus operator that's been overloaded to be a concatenation operator as well? So we can just add a blank string here without it being stored in a variable. So let's try that and run it. Bobby Helen, yep, that works. And let's try doing the same again with the third variable, text3. Okay, and we've got to do the plus operator again to join all these strings or concatenate them. And that's worked, Bobby, Helen, and Tracy. So what other ways can we do this concatenation in? Well, the arguments, the method, should I say, of the string class is called concat. So that's pretty easy to remember. So all we do is write the variable name that the string object is stored in, which is Bobby, and we type what we want to concatenate, and let's say we want to concatenate Helen to it again. So we just simply type the name of the variable in there, and let's try that and see if it's working. Yes, it is, but there's no space, so what can we do here? Well, we can do another blank space in here and then do an inner call to concat text1, or should I say text2, and that will include a blank space. Just gotta put the other bracket there. Okay, let's see if that works. There we go, guys. So we can take this a bit further and say let's make another variable called string other text, and it's master text dot concat, and let's do a space character inside, and let's concat to that text3, which is Tracy. So hopefully this will give us our original string, which was the three names with two spaces in between. No, what's gone wrong here? Oh, I've got to print out other text. There we go, let's try it again. There we go, guys. Bobby, Helen, and Tracy. And that's all there is to the 2 types of string concatenation in Java. So hopefully this helped you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Take it easy, guys.